Hello friends, now we are going to see the concept behind synonymism, and then we will move towards the questions that comes in your examination of synonymism. So let's begin with the concept behind synonymism. So hello friends, today we are going to see the questions and the concept behind syllogism. This is a very important chapter. So here we will see the cases, various cases, and the concept behind synonymism. So there are three types of cases. First is some shoes are socks. That what that means. Some whenever it comes, that means some portion is common between A and B. If I say some A is of R B, so that means some means little portion of A is there in B. Now ahead if we go, then there is another statement that we can also represent that some A are B, some A as B by this also. This is A, this is B. What that means? It means out of all A, some are B, right? So this how I also represent this thing, right? Second case comes that all A are B. All A are B means what? All means the smaller will come inside and bigger one will go outside. So all A means this one will come inside is B, right? So this how you will do the case all A are B. And the third case come that no A is B. What that means? A is here, B is here. There is no relation between this. You can simply put a gate means there is no relation or this cannot come here, right? Like this. Apart from that, there is cases of possibility. So the cases of possibility is the cases where you have to see whether the condition is satisfying or not. In other statements, in normal statement like this, some cards are key. So here in such type of statement, you directly have to see figure like this, and you have to see whether there is relation between them or not. If not, then simply say false. If yes, then yes. So this you can simply see by seeing the statement, right? When there is direct statement like some A are B, some B are C, so you will directly see in diagram and see whether there is a relation or not and whether it is establishing or not. So this how you will see. Second case come when there is negative sentence, right? In negative sentence, what you have to do, I am suggesting you a trick that whenever you see negative sentence, you have to make sentence opposite and check for opposite sentence. If opposite sentence comes out to be true, then the original sentence will comes out false. If opposite sentence comes out to be false, then original sentence comes out to be true. You don't have to see the figure or the picture, you directly see the opposite case. Why? Because no type of question is something which confuse student. So if you have to see the concept like that. Suppose there is a question like no lock is paper. So whenever there is no, so you will change it to some. So that means what? Some locks are paper. You have to check whether some locks are paper or not, means some interaction is happening or not. And another case is after that some locks are paper. If some is there, so you have to check for all locks are paper, right? So these are the two things that you have to check in the questions, okay, for negative sentence. And there are negative sentence which we will practice. So negative sentence is the one which make question little bit tricky, and examiner is interested in negative sentence most of the time. So when we will solve the question, I will let you know how to solve those question. And third come possibility case. Possibility case is the cases where you have to see the condition can be satisfied without violating all this, okay, without violating the above condition. If it's violate any of the condition, the possibility will not work, right? So without violating this concept, you have to check whether can you make a alternative of it. If yes, then the possibility comes out to be true, okay. So these are the cases that I discuss. On the basis of these cases, we are going to solve synonymism, okay. There is direct approach for it. You can directly see the diagram as I told you. In first case, second is negative case, and third is possibility case. The type of diagram for some is this, for all is this, and for no one is this, okay. For no, you have to make a diagram like this, okay. And in conclusion, I told you three type of sentence will come. So on the basis of this, we are going to solve this chapter. Not to worry about this chapter, you have to just understand little bit in starting and check whether the condition is fulfilling or not, and then you can simply solve the questions. Okay.